You're watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using these platforms. Goldman Sachs versus Morgan Stanley, which firm reigns supreme? In this video, we'll dissect the strengths and weaknesses of these two financial giants to help you decide which best suits your investment and wealth management needs. For a deeper dive, check out the links in the description for both firms and their specific offerings. Goldman Sachs, a titan in global investment banking and financial services, primarily serves institutional clients, high-net-worth individuals, and corporations. Its core strengths lie in investment banking, asset management, and global market services. Goldman Sachs provides a comprehensive suite of financial solutions, encompassing capital raising, mergers and acquisitions, M&A, advisory, and sophisticated risk management tools. Furthermore, they've ventured into the consumer banking arena with Marcus, their digital platform offering competitive savings accounts, personal loans, and various investment products. This dual approach makes Goldman Sachs a compelling option for both seasoned institutional investors and individual investors seeking accessible, technology-driven solutions. Morgan Stanley, another global leader in financial services, boasts expertise across investment banking, wealth management, and trading services. What distinguishes Morgan Stanley is its robust wealth management division, catering to high-net-worth individuals with a strong emphasis on personalized financial planning, estate management, and access to exclusive investment opportunities. The acquisition of E*Trade has further bolstered their retail trading platform, providing valuable tools for both active traders and long-term investors. Moreover, Morgan Stanley offers a wide array of ESG, environmental, social, and governance investment options, attracting socially responsible investors. So, which firm emerges as the victor? For corporations, institutional clients, and individuals seeking cutting-edge investment banking services or technologically advanced consumer banking options through Marcus, Goldman Sachs is the clear frontrunner. Conversely, Morgan Stanley excels in serving high-net-worth individuals and retail investors who prioritize personalized wealth management services and sophisticated trading tools. Ultimately, the best choice hinges on your specific financial goals. Whether you're pursuing global investment strategies or seeking tailored wealth management solutions, be sure to explore the links provided in the description to gather more information and make an informed decision that aligns perfectly with your needs.